Today's video is going to be about the Moonlight Clearweathers. Overall, they're super cool shoes. They're cool. You know, they kind of remind me, reminiscent of like some rock climbing shoes, because the soles are so thick. And I don't know, the shoe overall looks cool, looks different. That's what attracts me to a lot of things. And it has the, what is it called? Vibram. I don't know if any of you guys have heard it, but there are some good sole manufacturers. So they collabed with them on that. And the sole is really rock solid. It's a really good sole. Comfortable shoes. They're just different. They stand out. What else do I want to say? They stand out. They're comfortable. I bought them a little too small, so I'm selling them. $99 down in my eBay if you want it. I would give them like a 7. They're slip-on. They slip on really easily. No need to really tie the laces or mess with them. They look cool. Not much to say about these shoes. I really put them on about twice, and I was like, damn, these are some tight shoes. And now I'm selling them. But overall, I'm gonna give you some an unboxing and some on feet with the shoe. So I could just have, there's no reviews about Clearweather ever, so let me just be one of the people that put them up. So yeah, let's get on to the on feet.